Welcome all. In this part, we will know what is ngrok and how to install ngrok on termux app. Ngrok exposes local server behind firewalls to the public internet over secure tunnel. When you download and run a program on your machine and provide it the port of a network service, it connects to the ngrok cloud service, which accepts traffic on a public address and relay that traffic through to the ngrok process running on your machine and then onto the local address you specified. Now, to install ngrok on termux app, first go to a website called ngrok.com. Here you have to sign up first by filling a simple form to download the ngrok, but I already have an account, so I am clicking on login option. From here, download the ngrok by clicking on download for Linux ARM and copy the authentication token which is provided under connect your account section, which will be used on later part. Now the download is finished, so go and check your SD card. On my device it is stored on download folder. Then extract it. When you extract the ngrok, and another folder is created with the same name. Now go to termux app and type cd space / SD card / download / enter. I'm typing this because the downloaded ngrok file is present on download directory of SD card. Now to check it, type ls and hit enter. As you can see, the ngrok folder is present. Now type cd and the name of folder where ngrok file is present, and in my case it is present in ngrok -2.2.8 -linux -arm64. So I am typing cd ngrok -2.2.8 -linux -arm64. Now hit enter. To check whether the ngrok file is present or not, type ls and hit enter. As you can see, ngrok file is present. Now we have to move the ngrok file to the home directory. So for this we have to type mv space -v space ngrok space $home in capital letter and hit enter. This will move the ngrok file to the home directory. And to check this, open a new session and type ls and hit enter. Sometime it doesn't show the ngrok file, so you can restart your termux app, then you can see the result. Now I already restart my termux app. Now I am typing ls and hit enter. Now you can see ngrok file is moved to the home directory. Now to provide authentication to execute this file, we have to type chmod space +x space ngrok, then hit enter. And to check it, type ls and hit enter. As you can see, the color of ngrok is changed. That means we are authorized to execute ngrok. Now to check whether it is working or not, type ./ngrok and hit enter. It is working properly. Now we have to paste the previously copied authentication token. So I am paste and hit enter. Now we have successfully installed and configured the ngrok file. Now to forward or open a port, we have to type ./ngrok space http space 80 and hit enter. As you can see, the session is reconnecting. The session status is reconnecting. Now the session is online. That means an HTTP tunnel forward to the port 80. That's all for this part. Thanks for watching.